Hi guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be doing another coffee table. I had a few ideas in mind actually for when I was showing you last time. So we're going to go again with kind of like a circle theme with the coffee tables. So we're going to start off with mesh and circle. Just pull that circle out a little bit so it's nice and big so we can see it. And then we are going to go to edit mode. Press F for fill, E for extrude, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to go outwards and we're going to curve it. So scale outwards, E for extrude, E for extrude, scale inwards just slightly, E for extrude, and then just scale inwards again. Right, so this is going to be the tabletop. This is going to be our basic premise that we're going to be working with. So I'm just going to lift that up a little bit. The next thing that we want to do is just shade that smooth. We're going to just have that as one media today. Let me see. So we're going to go with circle again. But what you want to do this time is rotate it. Press 9-0 on your number pad. I just realised. Hold on. Oh, where have we gone? I've got the screen keys. So S to scale, G to move everything. Just get rid of that. Right, so we've got this now. Just gonna scale this upwards a little bit. Edit mode. We're gonna go once everything's selected. Go E for extrude. Scale upwards. Scale outwards even. Just slightly. So we get this. E for extrude. And then E for extrude again. Just make sure that you're working on the same plane. And then scale it back inwards again. Gonna go for A. E for extrude. Then scale that puppy inwards a little bit. Okay, so this inner ring right here that we've got going. We're just going to select the vertices in that. You know what, I'm going to go back on that a minute. I think that I kind of went off on a tangent. So, E for extrude. Just keep it on the same vertices as I said. E for extrude. Scale inwards. It's been a long day today, like my brain is just fried. Oh my goodness. Right, scale it outwards a little bit. Okie dokie. Right, so we're going to go A, select everything, and then E for extrude, scale inwards. Then we're just going to select the run in the middle. Just go around the outside there. And then just scale that down just a little bit as well. So we've kind of got this donut going on. I'm just going to subdivide this. Go back to object mode, right click, shade smooth. I might do a smoothness on here just to level that out a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so these are going to be the underrings in the piece. So with your coffee table, just place them where your legs would usually go. Going to be quite a small coffee table. So I'm just going to add some texture to it, which I'm going to use a little bit of gold when my computer loads it. This is taking a while. I'm just getting the buffering thing on here. Okay, so we get it back. Right, I'm going to type in gold on here. Just for the name of the material that we're using. Go for a kind of an orangey yellow. Put the metallic up, roughness down. Right. Put it on cycles. Okay, so where's my lamp at? Let's make this a sun so you guys can see what's going on. There we go, one sun. Okay, so traffic's bad outside today. So now we've kind of got this gold theme going on. I just want to move this towards the edge a little bit because this is a coffee table. You're not really going to put your feet under there, not unless you've got your shoes on or whatever. But we're going to go Control D for duplicate. Oh man. G, move that across. Then we're going to go Shift D. Sorry, I said Control D, didn't I? I meant Shift D. Rotate it and press 90 on your number pad. And then we're going to do the same again for the underside. Shift D. And then we're going to rotate. And I think 90 is going to put it in the same place, so maybe we'll go 25 on this one. Wait, hold on. We could do 45 in theory? Hold on.
In your home, I know.
Let me see. Yeah, we're gonna do 45. My brain is just not braining today at all. Right, I'm gonna select them all again. I am just tired. I think I've just had a long day and it's just been like, my brain's just like, yeah, screw this. So, now we want 22.5. So, we're gonna go Shift D. Sorry, 1 second. You're like, you ever have that moment where you just like, your brain's just not right. Okay, I got it. Right, Shift D, leave it where it is, rotate 22.5, enter. Okay, got this pattern going on. It's quite nice actually. Yeah, I'm gonna add, I think, a little bit of marble to the top. Okay, so when you get to the top here, just click on your object, press new down here. What we are going to do, let's see, textures. I could check out some textures. Wave texture, noise texture. Let's see what happens if I put this on. That's an okay texture. We got phase. Oh, okay, that looks nice. I get this kind of marble effect going on. I quite like this one. There's probably going to be a lot of people going, that's horrendous, but it is quite nice actually. Okay, we're going to add a bump. Far heights, and then we're going to want a colour ramp. And just pull that back a little bit. I'm just going to like put these on the opposite sides. It just looks way better. Make it a little bit more metallic. Okay, I like that. Let's see now. Instead of having a traditional light, let's get some backlighting in here. Just gonna scale this out. I'm gonna add a plane as well, just to kind of give it some space. Maybe add a Veroni texture to that plane. I seem to favour those. Let's see, add a bump. Then we'll add a colour ramp. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so I think we're going to have the camera just here. And viewpoint to camera. And then we're going to make this an emission. It's down here. See what this looks like once it's being rendered. I kind of want some more shine on this table as well, so I'm just going to go ahead into the materials property and just turn down the roughness. Maybe just turn up the metallic just slightly. Oh no, actually, we can keep the metallic the way that it is. And then I'm going to make another one of these. Just come over to the side. And I'm going to change the colour of this, so edit mode, I'm going to go plus, new, then you want to press A to select everything, oops. So just select your sides, your faces and stuff, assign it to the new one, go with emission, then maybe make this a blue, and just turn it up a bit. And there we have it. There's the table. Just going to bring this up a little bit. I bring this up a lot. It needs to be floating. And there we have it. Very unique looking coffee table.